Turmeric, a golden yellow spice, is renowned for its medicinal properties, primarily due to its active compound, curcumin. Internally, it offers powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits, which can aid in managing conditions like arthritis and boosting overall immunity. Consuming turmeric can also improve digestion and support liver function by enhancing bile production. Additionally, it's been linked to improved brain function and a lower risk of brain diseases, thanks to its ability to increase levels of Brain-Derived Neurotrophic Factor, BDNF. To reap these benefits, turmeric can be consumed as a spice in cooking, taken as a supplement in capsule form, or brewed as tea. It's often recommended to pair turmeric with black pepper, which contains piperine, enhancing curcumin absorption by up to 2000%. Externally, turmeric's anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties make it beneficial for skin health. It can be applied as a paste to treat acne, reduce scars, and even out skin tone. Mixing turmeric powder with honey or yogurt and applying it as a face mask can soothe skin and reduce redness. For oral health, turmeric can be used as a natural teeth whitener and to reduce gum inflammation. A mixture of turmeric powder and coconut oil can be used for oil pulling, which can improve overall oral hygiene. However, it's essential to use turmeric in moderation. High doses can cause stomach upset or interact with certain medications.
Always consult a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement, especially for those with underlying health conditions. Thanks for watching Knowledge Hut. Please subscribe for more videos.